Everyone's talking about the new Les Beiges collection from Chanel for summer of 2026. And I think all the buzz is with the Essentials kit. There are 4 products in this kit that comes in this cute, I guess it's a wicker basket. But I believe it is wicker or raffia, I believe that's how you say it. And it does come with the handle with Chanel on top with a zipper opening there. And inside it there are 4 products, 4 full-size products. It did come with a new mascara from Chanel. I believe the color in there is black. A new Rouge Coco Flash in the shade Sweet. A new Liquid Healthy Glow Blush in the shade, I believe you pronounce it Delice. And those 3 products, I believe you can buy them separately. And what's special in this kit is a new highlighter that is only available in this kit. And it's a powder highlighter, and I believe the name of it is Golden. I'm not too sure about it, but if any of you did get it, let me know the name of it. And the full name of this kit is the Les Beiges Healthy Glow Summer Essentials Kit, and it does cost $250. It does come with 4 full-size products and that cute little wicker purse basket bag, I guess you can call it that way. And let's do a little price breakdown. So again, the kit costs $250. Now the blush is $56. The Coco Flash is $53. The mascara is also $53. And I'm guessing the highlighter, I'm just basing it on another highlighter that Chanel has on their website for $60. So those 4 products alone, if you bought them separately, again with the highlighter you can't, but those 4 products alone is $222. So you're paying $28 more for the basket. I know everybody's talking about it, everybody wants it, but for me, I'm kind of glad they sold out because the shades in there would be too light for me and you can't interchange it. They're not different kits like light, medium, or deep, which would have been nice to have, but 1, I think the shades in there are too light, and 2, I'm just not liking the price breakdown. I have heard that people are selling them on eBay for $300-400, which is not something that I would do. And from what I'm seeing, I don't think that basket will last long. And also, I don't think it will fit a phone, because let me show you the blush that I did get. This fits perfectly inside that wicker basket, and then let me show you my phone. Yeah, it's not going to even fit the phone. I think it just needed to be maybe a little bit higher, and I don't think it will fit this way either. I mean, it's a cute basket. If you've seen other YouTubers that did get the kit and they show the basket, it's really cute. So I like the little pockets in there as well. For me, I'm kind of glad I did not get it. And I want to be the voice of reason is that please don't get FOMO, because it is sold out everywhere, and I did hear that it's going to be online on the Chanel website, I believe May 5th, I think so. But I'm sure it's gonna be sold out real quick there too. And if you're my shade or deeper, I think the colors in there probably won't work. But I did get some products that's in this collection. I got 1 Coco Flash, the mascara, the liquid blush, the concealer, the new concealer, and the new Les Beiges eyeshadow palette. And before we get started, I wanna let you know that I have been playing with the settings again. I know it's an ongoing struggle here with me, but it is a little bit more warmer, and I think I kinda like it. So I'm gonna play around with it like this. We'll see how it goes, because before I had it a little bit more, I guess, cooler, kind of like that blue-white. I think I kind of like this because you can see more of my color, and hopefully you can see more of the products that I'm showing. Here's the new Les Beiges eyeshadow palette. I hope. It's always a work in progress with me. So let's go ahead and start with the Les Beiges eyeshadow palette, and this one is in the shade Soft. And you can see that it is, you know, your soft hues of browns and pinks. It did come in a little velvet pouch, and outside is the Les Beiges color. It does have a snap closure and a mirror, and it also comes with 2 brushes. One's more like a brush and one's more like a sponge tip applicator. This one is available now, and it costs $77. Let me go ahead and swatch it first. Probably should have worn short sleeves, but let me unbutton this. So let's go in with this top one. They're very small for my, you know, big fingers here. And there is kind of like a soft pink metallic shade, but it can be a little ashy if I'm not careful, but it is very pretty. Now let's go into this pink. This one's a little bit deeper, but yet softer. And it has that smoothing metallic finish as well. So you know what, let me swatch that one more time. It's just because of my fingers, these palettes, these pans are so small. But yeah, I hope you can see that one there a little bit better. Now, I think my favorite shade is this one, mainly because it does show up. And again, let me swatch that one a little bit better. I just like the color of this brown. I'm sure we have many shades that are similar, but the formula is quite nice with this. Now let's go to this one. This is the cooler shade of the palette. Yeah, I need to build that one up. Yeah, I need to build that one up, but that one is a little bit cooler. Now let's go to the last one, which is a light medium brown. Yeah, and this is more my skin tone. All right, so here are the shades in Chanel's soft palette. Yeah, it is very soft, and I have to be careful with this one. If I just use this one without the brown shades, then everything else would look a little ashy on me. Let me show you what the swatches look like outside. I did swatch it there for you guys. Hopefully you can see the shades a little bit better. So let me show you how I applied this look. I used every shade. I first went in with that taupe shade and placed that above my crease. Then used that light to medium brown shade in my crease. And then the deep brown shade in the outer corner. And then I used my finger for that pink shade, and that's where I saw that it's not a vibrant pink, but the palette is named soft, so it's supposed to be, you know, soft. Then I add that light pink shade in the inner corner, and that's when it really looked kind of ashy. So then I went back in with the pink shade with my finger and a brush to kind of brighten it up. And I think doing it that way made it not look so ashy, just made it look, you know, soft. And then when I finished my eye makeup, you know, it's not bad. Probably not going to be one of my favorites, but it's not bad because it is soft shades. And if you like this kind of look, this will be perfect. But I just need to kind of let it grow on me, I guess. Chanel came out with a new concealer, and it's the Serum Concealer Natural Healthy Glow. So this is the first serum concealer by Chanel that offers a second skin finish and works to awaken and illuminate the look of the under eye, as if you spent a day in the great outdoors. This features 89% skincare-based formula. It contains the white camellia hydro extract, that's Chanel's signature ingredient, that helps restore and maintain the moisture levels in your skin. It also has hyaluronic acid that keeps it hydrated all day. So you saw that I applied it, and it is very serum-y, very liquidy, I guess you could say. And I had to apply it twice because it is kind of very sheer, but it is the Les Beiges collection, so it's a little bit more, you know, kind of like that sheer, summery, healthy glow formula. There are 15 shades in the concealer, and it's $53. I do like the glass packaging, and let me show you the doe foot applicator. It does have a little scoop there, and it is kind of stiff. I mean, there's no leeway whatsoever with it. So I did get this one in the shade B70. Yeah, the applicator is very stiff. I guess they're thinking since it's serum, they didn't want it to be heavy on the application. But here is what I have, B70. And the foundation that I'm wearing is also from Chanel, the Sublimage foundation. Love that one, and that's also in the shade B70. Probably could have gone away with B60, but I thought that was maybe a little bit light. So far it looks really good. It's not drying. There is some creasing with it, but I'm going to see how this wears throughout the day. And I did apply powder afterwards, also from Chanel, and it's also from the Les Beiges collection. It's the Healthy Glow Sheer Powder, and it's in the shade B60. So I did finish this look with using the powder from Chanel. And doing that, I don't see any, you know, cakiness or dryness. I just see a little bit of creasing there. I have tried concealers from Chanel before, and they're not my favorite. When I saw that they came out with a serum one, I wanted to try it, but it looks a lot better than the other foundations that I have. I have the Sublimage concealer, and my daughter took that one, and I guess, let me look and see what the other concealer name. I did not like that one as well, and I think my daughter took that one too. Yeah, it's the Ultra Latent Concealer, and that one's not my favorite, but we'll see how the serum concealer works. Next up I use is the new mascara, and spoiler alert, I kind of like it. This is 2 coats. It was the first time I've tried it, and I usually, you know, try the mascara several times just to let the product get on the spoolie. The more times you use it, the more, I guess, it gets on the spoolie. But let me show you the spoolie. Yeah, I love a big, fat spoolie. And this one is kind of soft, kind of plasticky, I guess. But you can see me apply it here after 1 coat. I mean, it looked really good. It separates. And then I put a second coat on, and wow. Now, I think I may have put a little bit more on this side because I am seeing some clumps there at the tip of my lashes. Let me just try to pick that off. To be honest, the lashes on this side does it to me. It doesn't curl, it goes kind of straight out, and I have to be careful with it because it does kind of clump with any mascara that I use on this side. I know, it's weird. But this mascara is not bad, and it costs $53. There are 3 new shades in this mascara. There's one, I believe it's called Golden Brown, and that looks a little bit more coppery. The other one is deep brown. And with this mascara, I don't know if it's limited edition. I don't know if the other two colors are just limited edition and the black will be permanent. I guess as time goes on, we'll know more. And just like with the concealer, the mascaras from Chanel are typically not my favorite. I saw this one, I wanted to try it out, and wow, first time use, not bad. Except for a little bit of clumping here, which is just from this side. We're just going to, keep playing with it and I'll let you know. Now let's talk about the new Les Beiges Healthy Glow Blush. There are 3 shades in this liquid blush, the one in the kit. Again, that one's called Delice and it is very light. The other one is Sorbet, which is a little bit, I guess, corally. And then this one, which is Nectar, and this is a little bit more on the purpley side. And I just realized something. I don't know if the blush Delice will be available for sale separately. I don't know if that one's going to be just exclusive for the kit, just like the powder highlighter. I just thought of that now, but things could change. Who knows with Chanel? The one that I did get is this purple shade, Zesty. You do get 1 ounce of product in here and it does cost $56. And the packaging is just like the primer, the Healthy Glow primer, and this one is an icy beige, and I did use this one underneath the foundation, but it is the same packaging almost, except for this one does have the dot there of the color of the blush, which I kind of like. You just squeeze out just a little bit. So here is Zesty. Such a pretty purpley pinky blush. Yeah, very pretty for my skin tone. So the Les Beiges Healthy Glow Blush is a liquid blush whose fresh, hydrating formula enhances your cheek with a radiant glow, as if you spent the day by the sea. Fresh and silky, its water-infused liquid formula offers an instant feeling of freshness and second skin finish. A radiant veil of color that illuminates the complexion. Glad I got this one. It's such a beautiful blush shade. You can apply it more and you can sheer it out, but yeah, I like this purpley pink shade. And it melts into the skin, it doesn't move the foundation, and just love the color. And it does have a little bit of a luminosity to it. I hope you can see it there. So it does have a little bit of glowness to it. The Les Beiges collection has that, summery, watery, healthy glow. And yeah, this one's pretty. Now let's talk about the Coco Flash, and there are 3 new shades, and the one that's in the kit, let me look here, I believe it's Sweet. And that one's a little bit light. The other one is Zesty, and that's a little bit more corally, kind of like the blush. And then this one that I got is Fruity. It's more purpley, just like the blush. Now with the Coco Blooms, it is more like a balm, so the color kind of does wear off, but it does leave a stain. I did put this on about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes ago, and the color is kind of coming off, but you can still see that there is a stain to it. Let me just kind of reapply. First, let me show you what it looks like. It does come with the gold bullet, and I want to say that these are limited edition. So this one is, again, Fruity, and let me put it there next to the blush. Really good combo there. Now when you apply it, it does have a very nice slip to it, very hydrating, but it doesn't last very long, probably, I don't know, a couple of hours. And definitely if you eat and drink, it's gonna come off completely. And again, there are 3 new shades, and I believe they're gonna be limited edition, and these do cost $53. And also in this collection, which I did not get, the nail polishes, there are 2 new colors. I believe one's a blue and the other one's kind of like a beige, but as you can see, I don't typically wear nail polish. And if I do, it's more of a French tip. And there's also a liquid highlighter, kind of like in the same packaging as the blush, but there's a liquid highlighter, and it's called Summer Gleam. And that one, I typically don't wear a lot of highlighters. Liquid highlighters, really don't have any of those. And I think it's just gonna be a little light for me as well. And that is pretty much it with the new Les Beiges collection of Summer 2026 from Chanel. The eyeshadow, I could probably tell you right now, it's not gonna be one of my favorites I'm gonna reach for. I think it's just a little bit too soft, but there may be a time when I need something soft. Again, to be all honest, I don't think I'll be reaching for it. The only thing I may reach for it is probably the brown shade, the deeper one. This one here, if I need to pull in another shade to kind of deepen up the look. The pink shades, it can be a little bit ashy, so I need to be careful with that. But yeah, this one's not gonna be one of my favorites that I reach for. The concealer, I do need to play with it some more because I don't know if the transfer from the mascara is from the mascara or from the concealer. I know that sounds weird, but sometimes the concealer kind of grabs my lashes. I don't know how to explain it, and there is some creasing with it, so I don't know if that streak will continue of me not liking the concealers from Chanel. This may go to my daughter again, I don't know, but I will try. Just kind of play with it, see if I need to do anything else, but I don't know. I'll keep playing with it. The mascara. Now, I do like this mascara. And again, with this one, I'll try it with other concealers to make sure that I don't see any transfer with it. But what it's doing to my top lash line, wow, I like it. The blush, Love the color, love how, you know, gives you that healthy glow. Love even how you apply it, and the color is just really pretty. Just melts into the skin. You don't need a lot of it. You can build it up and you can sheer it out. But yeah, this is very pretty. And the Cocoa Flash, love the color as well. Matches the blush. Love the texture of it, love the slip of it, and love this color. And again, do not have FOMO if you do not get that Summer Essentials kit. The shades in there, if you're my skin tone or deeper, it's gonna be a little light for us. But if you like it, you know, go for it. But I'm just trying to be, you know, the voice of reason, kind of save your money and maybe buy the items separately of the shades that you do like and want. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video of me trying the new products from Chanel, the Les Beiges Summer of 2026 collection. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this, and you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.